Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making this weight loss swallow, plantain swallow. Welcome back guys. So let's get into the main video. So here is the plantain I'm going to be using for the plantain swallow. So I'm going to wash it thoroughly because I'll be using it with the back, so I have to wash it to get rid of all the dirty, sand and everything. You can see I'm using sponge to wash it very well. So after washing, I'll cut it into smaller pieces so that it will be easy for blender to blend. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. To my returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. Thank you for your support. And to my new subscriber, you are welcome to Unique Dijja Space. Thank you all so much. I appreciate. So I'll cut everything into smaller pieces to enable the blender blend it very smoothly. So guys, today is the second day of Vlogmas. Show your guests some love by sharing my video. I know it's not easy, everything is hard data, but please, God will see us through. Show me some love by watching my video and sharing my video. Thank you so much. As this is my first time of participating in Vlogmas, please show me some love to encourage me. So I'm done cutting everything. I'll put them into my blender, add in water, not too much water. So cover and blend. At least we want to slay for the season. Let's lose some weight. This is a very healthy meal, healthy swallow that we can take, and is very good to our body. It has a lot of vitamin, so I'll be dropping all the nutrients that the back of plantain and the main plantain has. I'll drop everything in my comment section so that you will see what you are losing if you are not eating this swallow. So I've put the paste inside my pot. I didn't add water to the pot, just empty pot. I pour it in and I'll put it on top my stove and continue to stir until everything comes together. Stir continuously. Please don't leave it on fire and leave the place for long. Keep on stirring. You may see it's having lumps. Don't worry, everything will be smooth at the end of the day. Just continue stirring. You can see it's coming together now. It's thicker and the color is changing. This swallow is so soft and fluffy. You are going to enjoy it. So I'll add in a little bit of water, not much water. Then I'll close it and allow it to cook for just 1 minute, not for long. So after 1 minute, I'll open it and turn everything together. You can see that after 1 minute there is a lot of change. It became thicker and the color changed too. This is all, guys. It's as simple as this. So it's a meal that is very healthy and easy to do. It's very easy. You can take it with any soup of your choice. This swallow is so healthy, so soft. I love it so much. You can have yours with any soup of your choice, but preferably have it with okra, especially white okra. You know we are on a weight loss journey, abi. Have it with white okra and you are going to so love it. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you for always showing up. See you all tomorrow because we are on Vlogmas. We are going to be uploading every day for the next 25 days. So guys, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.